Sundays are great for relaxing and preparing for the next week. I've been reading the book called Surfing in 78 Days. It helped give tips on creating your own reality. Then I like to make my bed. It's a great first accomplishment to start the day, and it keeps the bedroom clean. Next up is breakfast because your boy is always hungry. Well, nothing crazy here. Egg here, it's a little burnt, but that's okay, we'll live. Avocado, tomatoes, oatmeal here with some strawberries and blueberries, and a drizzle of honey too, and then some barley tea. Nothing crazy, but gets the day started. Started to plan out my weekly goals and also my running goals as I'm training for a half marathon and a marathon later this summer. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Leave a like and comment if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.